I'm a high school teacher. So for me, this win is showing that I'm doing things that are impactful to my kids, that are going to prepare them for whatever the tech world is going to look like in 5-10 years for them. That is kind of just like a validation of what I'm doing in my classroom. Before, it used to be what language might they need to know, and more or less they had an idea of what they were getting themselves into, but I feel like there's so much changing so rapidly at the moment that they don't really know. And a big thing for me to prepare them for that is what kind of skills are going to help them regardless of what it looks like. So just that problem solving, critical thinking, and using as much technology and being open to that as they can be. Letting the kids explore. That's what I find most important. I think that we don't know what things are going to look like. We don't know what is going to be most successful for them. So letting them explore different projects and just really dive into it and, figure out what works and doesn't work for them now before it has an impact on their life is really important.